start with an attention-grabbing quote or question related to education and motivation. Introduce the purpose of the video, to provide students with powerful motivation and tips for effective studying. The power of knowledge. Share inspiring clips or images of notable scientists, thinkers, and leaders who have changed the world through their dedication to learning. Highlight the impact of education on personal growth and society as a whole. Overcoming challenges. Showcase short interviews or stories of real students who face challenges but manage to overcome them through their determination to succeed. Discuss common hurdles like procrastination, self-doubt, and burnout, and provide practical strategies for conquering them. Setting goals and visualizing success. Emphasize the importance of setting clear goals and how they provide direction and purpose to your studies. Include imagery or animations that illustrate the concept of visualizing success to keep motivation high. Learning from failure. Share stories of famous individuals who encountered failures but used them as stepping stones toward greater achievements. Discuss the value of resilience and the lessons that can be learned from setbacks. Creating a positive study environment. Offer practical advice on how to create an optimal study space that encourages focus and productivity. Suggest incorporating motivational quotes, plans, and natural light into your study area. Embracing lifelong learning. Encourage the idea that learning extends beyond the classroom and should be a lifelong pursuit. Highlight the joy of discovering new interests and the benefits of continuous self-improvement. Conclusion and call to action. Recap the key points discussed in the video. Urge viewers to take action by implementing the tips and motivation shared in the video. End with a powerful closing statement that reinforces the importance of education and self-motivation.